Hello and welcome everyone. This is Kaylin's English podcast. This podcast is designed for English learners. I'm here to help you practice your listening skills. I'm Kaylin, a professional English teacher on italki. In this episode, I'm going to go through some phrasal verbs. These are spoken every day by mother tongue speakers of English. It is hard to avoid them. They are typically informal. I will give you the phrasal verb, its meaning or meanings, then examples of how to use them. I believe in you that you can learn these phrasal verbs easily. Believe in is our first one. It means to feel confident about something or someone, and it can mean to believe something exists. Do you believe in magic? Many people believe in unicorns. Do you believe in ghosts or the supernatural? People believe in aliens, and that they have landed in Area 51. Because of the internet and social media, many people believe in some odd things like the Illuminati. I am going to try to beef up this podcast. Beef up is our next one, and it means to make changes or an improvement. Many people try to beef up to be strong and healthy. They exercise many times a week. We need to beef up this car as it does not have much power. I need to beef up my chili recipe so I can win the chili competition. He beefed up his sound system in his car. I'm pretty sure everyone can hear him coming a mile away. Our next one has 4 meanings. It is bring back. Bring back can mean to return something you've borrowed. Example sentence: I will bring back the book tomorrow after I finished reading it. It can also mean to cause to recall memories and emotions from the past. Example sentence: This song brings back many memories from my childhood, especially when we got stuck in the snow when driving to school. The next meaning is to bring something with you when you return from a place. Example sentence: I will bring you back a magnet when I am in Chicago to add to your collection. The final meaning can be when something popular from the past is reintroduced in the present. Example sentence: High-waisted jeans were brought back into fashion. Our next one is clog up, which means when something in a drain or valve prevents the flow of water or other liquids. Our drain often clogs up and I must unblock it. In one of my previous apartments in London, the drain from the washing machine was the same as the one from the kitchen sink, and it was clogged up when we moved in. We needed a professional to come in to clear it as water would not drain from the sink and the washing machine. Our next one is dry up. It has 2 meanings. The first one is when all the liquids and or moisture evaporates, and the second one is when the supply of or amount of something is completely gone. My money all dried up recently as I wait for my next paycheck. The water dried up from the river as we did not have rain for months. The fields are all dried up, so the crops are not growing properly. Your talent is all dried up. Maybe you should retire. Our next one is fall behind. It has 2 meanings. One is to move slower than others, and the other is to make less progress or to not do something on time. My mom is shorter than the rest of us, thus she falls behind often when we go on hikes. I am falling behind on my assignment. At this rate, I will not finish on time. She fell behind on our run. We should not let any child fall behind in education. Our final phrasal verb is go after, which has 4 meanings. I'm going to go after my dream to have a successful podcast that earns me some income. This use of go after means to do your best to get something no matter how difficult it is. The police are going after the thief who stole the jewelry. This one means when law enforcers try to catch someone who has committed a crime. I'm going to go after the ball before it goes into the street. This example means you chase someone or something. The final meaning is when a company attempts to multiply their numbers of customers via a competitive strategy. We are going after the top spot in our category to be the very best in the shoe industry. I think that is enough phrasal verbs for one episode. Here are the phrasal verbs once more. Believe in, beef up, bring back, clog up, dry up, fall behind, and go after. Now go after your wish to become fluent in English by practicing these phrasal verbs. I believe in you. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like more content, then please subscribe to this podcast. You can also support me on Patreon. Find me by typing in Kaylin Teacher. On Patreon, you can gain early access to the podcast and transcriptions. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Kaylin_teacher. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, bye!